Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss about some query related to the persistent system. Okay, as most of the students those who are attended means those who are completed the HR online assessment test, HR online assessment test. Okay, see, as per my knowledge, there is a 99.99 percentage selection will be there. Okay, so as most of the students they are completed this HR online assessment test, but the results are pending. Okay, uh, so it is depend upon the college. Okay, and depend upon the college, means they are shortlisting the students or finalizing the student based upon the college. Okay, and better the one solution is that the TPO of college will get these details, TPO of the college. Okay, then another thing is that in few colleges the first list of selection. Okay, of selection, the final selection list, it is already announced. Okay, already announced to some colleges. It is also depend upon the college. Like in some colleges they are they give the result in first list or second list. It depend upon the college. Or in some colleges they just finalize all the students in the only one list. Okay, but in some colleges they are sending the means as a the first list of the selection, and the second list of the selection is pending. Okay, so they even they intimate that your second list will come, and it is pending for the approval from the HR. Okay, pending for approval from the HR. Okay, that is in some colleges the second list of selection. Okay, second list of the selection. I hope it is clear. It is completely depend upon the college. In some colleges directly they are sending the final list. Okay, only one list they are sending. Okay, by mentioning the final selection list, final selection list. Okay, and also they are completed uh, in some most of the colleges they are completed uh, like uh, completed the complete process of selection for uh, the base package. Okay, base package, that is 4.71, and for advanced coding package, that is 7.5 also. They are completed this process, they are completed, and even the students also they are attended the coding test for 9 lakh per annum in some most of the colleges, because the test they conduct for the once at a time. So it is completed in most of the colleges. Okay, and suppose in the HR assessment, in the means in the after HR assessment. Okay, after the HR assessment. Okay, if you are after the HR assessment means you are completed this process online HR assessment, you are completed, and your name is missing from the list. Suppose your name is missing. Okay, if your name is missing from the list, then there may be a chance to get your name in the second list after 15 days. Maybe chance, okay, not 100% chance in the second list. They may send the second list after the 1 month or after 15 days. That is not sure, okay, but there may be chances once you are completed your HR assessment, you are completed, if you are completed this process, okay, and if your name is missing from the list, missing from the selection list, there may be a chances that you need to wait, okay. Means the better solution is you contact your TPO, contact your TPO of the college, okay. There may be chances. Then those who are attended, those who are qualified, means the final selected students with a package of 7 point LP 7.5, okay. These final selected students, okay, so I think many of you are attended for the 9 lakh per annum test, okay. Suppose if you are not selected this one, okay, if you are not selected, so this particular it will be remaining, will be there, this offer will not change, okay. But if you go for this stage after completing the this particular coding test, then there will be again technical interview will be there. Means here if you are failed, but still this offer you will get. There is okay, this it won't go. They will provide a offer with the 7.5 lakh per annum. Okay, so this is the one query, and in some colleges still, as I'm creating this on the first September, still in some colleges the HR assessment round is going on. Okay, and it takes around at least minimum 6 to 7 days, 6 to 7 days, or maybe 15 days. Okay, it depends upon the college. Okay, so after the online HR assessment test, wait for some days, okay, and try to contact with the TPO. Okay, for this particular company, it's this persistent. They are not directly communicate with the student. You need to contact. You need to contact to company, that is your persistent company, persistent, through TPO only. You need to contact. There is no other way. You cannot directly contact. If you contact, but it will not be in record. There's some students, what they do, they contact to the company person, okay, by finding their, suppose if they get the name and all, they find out through the LinkedIn and all, they will direct communicate, but it won't be a record. Okay, so the best way is that for this persistent company, if you have any query, you should contact through TPO. Okay, and there are some queries are there, like few students, the interview is not is rescheduled. Okay, interview is rescheduled due to technical problem, due to the technical problem. Okay, so that also you need to write a email, you need to write a email to TPO of your college by mentioning all the details. Okay, so if there is a change in the email ID, change in email ID, or change in any, suppose during the interview any network problem or internet issue, Okay, any problem. Okay, for any problem, what you to do, you have to write a email to the TPO by mentioning the valid reason. Okay, valid reason, and then definitely the persistent company, they will reschedule the your interview. Okay, reschedule the interview. It has happened with some of the students. There is a change in the email ID. Okay, means as the student has the given, they provided, for example, like abc234 at gmail.com. Suppose this is the email ID, and what happens, he has attended a test, the student has attended a test, but during the interview time they are sending the mail ID to this particular mail ID. Okay, so here this particular this character is missing. This is the actually correct mail ID, but sometimes from their system, okay, it is set to AB234, but this is not a mail ID of the student. This is the correct mail ID, and they are sending all the communication to this wrong mail ID. Okay, in such cases, okay, you are attended the test and you are cleared all the test and all with this particular correct mail ID. Okay, and for the technical interview and all, they are sending to this wrong mail ID, so students are not getting the email communication. Okay, so any such issues you can just contact to your TPO, and those who are still not received the HR assessment after the result, wait. Okay, once again I will repeat, after the online HR assessment. Okay, as some of the students still they are panic, so wait for result and be in touch with your TPO. They only can provide, okay, because TPO has to contact to the HR of the company, and they will provide. So you try to wait, and as per my knowledge, once you go for HR assessment, 99.99 selection will be there. If there is some mistake, there may be like as you are means it the while attempting the online HR assessment, there may be some mistake. Okay, so wait for the result and you contact your TPO, so definitely they will help you, because they are the only contact person to persistent. This is mainly for persistent. There are some queries are there, you can just if you have any other query, you can just put it in the comment box. Okay, thank you.